Every layer of decay begins to disappear. The past is torn down to make space for something new. Nothing remains untouched in this transformation. From ruins, a new foundation begins to rise. Hidden systems bring life back into the walls. The room begins to take shape once again. Color replaces the darkness of the past. First, each plank is placed, then aligned, then locked into perfection. Stone by stone, shaped, refined, and brought back to life. Now, the light is installed, connected, and gently awakened. The frame is built, secured, and placed with balance. Soft layers are added, adjusted, and brought into harmony.